Hi, welcome. This is our last day on introduction, and today we will be discussing about validation set and cross validation. Okay, so what actually happens is that all the data sets are divided into two parts, right? One is training and second one is testing. Like MNIST have 60,000 images for training and 10,000 images for testing. Okay, but for setting the complexity of the model, okay, or in other word, since test set, this one is not available during training time, so how we will guess that uh, our model is performing better or not? For example, if there is KNN, okay, our model is KNN, so for setting the value of K, what we mainly do, we will change the value of K and we will check the accuracy. Okay, for K equals to 1, K equals to 10, K equals to dot dot dot, suppose K equals to 100. So this checking we will mainly do on training test set, and our curve will be U-shaped. For example, this may be the our curve. So the optimal value will be around, suppose K equals to 15, right? So how can we know this 15? Until and unless we have some training data set. So this is done by this concept. This is validation set. So what we do, we take the entire training set, okay, and divide it into 80%, 20% data. So this 80% data is used to train the model, and this 20% data is used to test the model. Okay, so yeah, CV cross validation. Okay, so what happens in cross validation is that suppose this is the training data set, okay, and this training data set is divided into 80-20 ratio. Okay, so uh, so the entire data set is divided into five parts or five folds. It may be divided into other folds also, like 10 fold, 20 fold, but in our this example we are assuming it is 5 fold, and this 80 to 20% ratio is also not fixed. It can vary depending upon uh, the demand. So what actually happens, we divide, for this example we are dividing the entire dataset into five folds, right? So five parts: part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. Okay, and we are choosing the first part as testing validation. Okay, similarly, so this is run 1. Okay, and for run 2 we will be choosing second one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly for run 3 we will be choosing the third, run 4 fourth, and run 5 fifth. Okay, so in this way we will train the model and take out the average to find out the actual error. uh, if k fold, for k fold, if k becomes equals to n, what is n? Total number of data sets. So we will call that as LUCV, that is least one out cross validation. Okay, so that's all for this lecture. From next lectures we will be starting probability. Okay, bye.